This is probably my first video in like at least a few months. Sorry for not posting long form content. And I've been trying my best to post some short form content, but that is hopefully what so hopefully you can like and subscribe. As I'm actually here in Australia, I just shifted here a few months ago. And it's like a nice day at the beach. It's freezing cold here, but it's still enjoyable to see the amazing waves. What the hell's that? You can also like skip stones here. Just look at the amazing view there. People fishing, like the rail guards there, and also like the boats. You can see the distance. I'll just zoom in to them if you want. Yeah, it's like right there. And like fishing rods. And everyone's basically just fishing here. Yeah. And also the water here is murky, but then like in like that area, it's like deep and like bluish color, like it's supposed to be. And like also some piers there, right there. And then also, so this is a walking and fishing area. Yeah, I don't know how you can fish here, but you can fish here. Now I'll just come into an area with a lot more interesting things. Now this is like an ungated fenced area, like it has no fence. This is the perfect area for fishing. I don't know why the people have set their rods up there, but this is the perfect area for fishing in my opinion. And you can also see the beautiful skyline. And you can like see in the vast sea, like there's some sort of like boat there somewhere. I'm trying to look for some more interesting spots. You can like see the beautiful reef of rocks there. Just an entire line of brown, weathered down rocks. Is it just me or is it like getting a hell ton of waves? Like I've honestly never seen this many waves. You can see a few boats there, like it's also pretty good. Also say hi to my mother. And also this is like a sitting area we found. You can also see like